In this problem, we have how many moles of hydrogen are required to make 47 liters of water at STP. So our given is 47 liter of water STP. Notice again how I underline the number, the unit, and the chemical. And we are looking for how many moles of hydrogen. So this is where we are going to start because it's our given. And this is where we are going to end. So going back to the flow chart, look for the unit liters of our given. In this case, we use A to represent our given. So liters or volume of A is where we start. Since the chemicals are not the same, we know that we have to cross from A to B. So we are going to solve for moles of B, which is right here. And this is where we are going to end. So we are going to multiply our given by two conversion factors, this one and this one. This is our first one, this is our second one, to get from liter to mole. So our given is 47 liter of water times by two conversion factor based on the flow chart. Our first conversion factor is 1 moles of A equal to 22.4 liter of A. So I just copy it down. Now A is our given chemical. In this case, the given chemical is water. So A is going to be water. And again, this side is going to be water as well because they're both A. So this conversion factor is done because we don't have to solve for any number. So we move on to the next conversion factor, which is this one right here. So we have number of moles A equal to the number of moles B. Again, A is our given chemical, which is water, and B has to be our chemical that we are looking for. In this case is hydrogen. Now what is the number of moles of water? We have to go back to the equation. In this case, water is right here, and the coefficient tell you there are 2 moles of water. So this is going to be 2. For hydrogen, we are going back to look for hydrogen, and there's a 2 right there, so therefore it's going to be 2 moles of hydrogen. And we're basically done with the flow chart. So we can kind of skip the problem and just look at the flow chart only. We have 47 liter of water time our first conversion factor, which is right here. Going back to our golden rule, the previous unit and the bottom unit has to be the same. In this case, we have liter water. We go back to the conversion factor and we look for liter water, which is this side over here. So we have exactly 22.4 liter of water. If this side is on the bottom, this side has to be on top. We have 1 moles of water. So that conversion factor is done. Now we are moving on to the next one. Since our previous unit now is 1 moles of water, so we go over here and looking for moles of water, which is this one right here. So we have 2 moles of water. If this side is on the bottom, the other side has to be on top. The last thing we have to do is cancel out the unit and multiply. We have liter of water cancel out with liter of water, moles of water cancel out with moles of water. So we have 47 times 1 times 2 moles of hydrogen. Divide by everything on the bottom, which is 22.4 times 1. And this is our final answer.